How long does it take you to create a single WordPress blog post? For me, it takes anywhere between 30 to 1 hour to create a fully optimized blog post that can rank on Google and bring in some profit. I've been trying to bring down this time that it takes to create a single blog post, automating with AI or looking for ways to improve my efficiency. One of the ways I discovered that I could use to improve my efficiency is by reducing the amount of time I spend creating a single post by optimizing using AI or any other tool. But my best time remains anywhere between 25 minutes to an hour, half an hour for the best time possible for a blog post that's going to rank. I'm not talking about simple blogs that you create with AI and copy paste. I'm talking about a valuable blog post or article you create on your website that can be used to bring value to the reader and improve your business as well as generate leads. So I thought, why not create a tool or a plugin that can allow me to track the amount of time it takes for me to create a blog post, then I would cumulatively work to reducing this time. So I came up with this idea where I would like to track every time it takes for me to create a single blog post. So today, I would like to share with you a simple plugin that I've built that allows me to track the time it takes for me to create a single blog post on WordPress. If you like this kind of solution, I would like you check out and install the plugin and give me some feedback on what you think about it. Does it help you to improve your efficiency by reducing the time it takes to create a single blog post? Or what can we do to improve this? Eventually, my game plan is to add an element of return on investment. Like, I would like to track my time against the returns in terms of ranking and the profit I get from a single blog post. That is the long haul kind of goal, but for now, I would like to share with you how this plugin works and how you can use it in your own content for free to track the time it takes for you to create a single blog post. As you can see on my screen here, on the dashboard, we have this bar chart that shows the different posts created and the time it takes. As you can see, as of this date, these posts, it took me 25 minutes, and this one took me 38 minutes. Again, creating the content depends with the topic and the idea about the content and your speed of writing or your execution. But essentially, the idea should be like, how do you improve by reducing the amount of time it takes you to create a single blog post? This would eventually improve your efficiency and increase your return on investment per single blog post. This can also allow you to create multiple sites by saving much time you spend on a single blog post. So to get access to this plugin, you should check the link in the description that will take you to my Git profile. The plugin is Content Creation Tracker. It's a WordPress plugin designed to help users track the time spent for creating content on their site. By measuring how long it takes for each post, users can identify areas of improvements and increase their content creation efficiency. This plugin provides you with a simple interface that you can use, as we're going to see. To download this plugin and use it in your projects, on this page, on my page, you can check the releases here. You click on releases. Then future releases will be here. You can check out the latest, or you can just download the tag. On the releases page, you scroll at the bottom, you see the source code here. This is the equivalent of the WordPress plugin that you upload in your WordPress dashboard. So you click on download and upload to your site, then activate. To install it, you simply need to go to plugins, add new, then you browse. You get the downloaded content creation tracker. Then you click on install, activate the plugin. After activating, once you go to now the posts, add new posts, you'll see this content tracking meta box here. So we can begin by creating our first test post. Then we can choose the date and the time. The starting time. Then for this to be effective, you begin by clicking on the starting time at the beginning of the post. Then you save it as a draft. Then after you're done, when you publish, you come back here and enter the time that it has taken you. Now, after you've completed adding the time it has taken you, you don't need to publish the post so that the time can be saved, and you can now track the time that it took you to create that post. Once you return to the dashboard, you'll see that like this post took you 60 minutes to create. This is a simple but a straightforward solution that you can use in your blog posts to track the time it takes to create a single blog. If you like this kind of solution, kindly consider checking it out, giving me the feedback in the comments section on how you can use this or how we can improve it to help us track the time it takes to create a single blog post and cumulatively the time it takes to create multiple blog posts on your WordPress site. The next features I think about this plugin would be, first, to improve the UI, of course. Second, to add a way to track specific keywords and the return on investment or profitability of that keyword in terms of ranking, or the traffic versus the time it took. So that's what I've been working on, and I hope you find this plugin useful. And if you do, kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one.